If you truly take me back to January of this year, I was living paycheck to paycheck. And it was frustrating because all the fun stuff that I wanted to do, like buy the extra things, go out to dinner, get manicures, get pedicures, get facials, whatever it is, I always said no to that stuff. Even like simple going out shopping and buying something new. I was that girl that said, no, I'm not going to do it. A lot of money that I do save always went to traveling because that's really, really important to me. And it's one of my goals to be able to get up and travel whenever I want and where I want and be able to take my business with me. And just because I said yes to an opportunity to learn high income skills, that is actually happening for me. Since I said yes to learn and earn profits online, I think I signed April 30th. I am like pushing over the 30K mark. 30K, guys, that I have received by learning high income skills. And I'm here to let you know that you can too. And I have a course that can show you exactly how to do all that. Now, if I always like to say, market something, do something you're passionate about, but I'm here to also tell you, if you don't know what that is and you've never done anything before, market the damn course. Guys, stop listening to those gurus that say, don't market the course, or everybody's marketing the course. I get it. I understand. But if you don't know the skill and you don't know how to do it, you've got to learn, right? And that is what the course is for. It provides you the value. It provides you step by step on how to do all this. But it also gives you a product that you can market so you can learn the skill. You can learn marketing. You can learn how to build a business online. You put that all on automation because you're just not going to wake up one day and know that skill to market something you're passionate about. So yeah, it's okay to learn by marketing the product or the course. That is okay. I do it. I love it. It is wonderful. And I'm having an amazing success story. And I'm adding multiple products to my business now. So guys, don't be afraid to market the course just because all those gurus are saying don't market the course. Put your damn earmuffs on and blinders on. Do you and start taking action so you can change your life, so you can live the life you deserve. Guys, make sure you're following me. I talk about how to build a business online, how to make money online.